The car was green.
We want to cook. Oh! We are shopping. Today, me and Ritchie are going to barbecue because he is hood rich.
Word.
EBT cards.
We're making burgers and french fries.
I'm gonna get some spicy
fries.
foods. Freedom fries?
Yeah, freedom fries. What spicy food are you gonna get?
Jalapenos.
That one. And this one. That's it, now we're done. Oh wait, no, we gotta get french fries. We're getting tater tots instead.
Really?
Hey, Jared.
Hey, Jared.
What's up? Sorry.
No, we can get curly fries, dude. But I don't know.
We're
What are you doing
barbecuing
right now?
Trying to get some curly fries, y'all.
Well, you came to the right place.
It's making supper,
that's
and
hard
there's
to say,
then it's
man.
making dinner, and it is being a dinner dynamo.
Dinner dynamo. Like some
Look at that
turkey.
ass.
What is it? Toe turkey.
Tofurkey.
Tofurkey. What's all your tofurkey?
I'll tell you guys a little secret about the beer aisle. You bring it up, you go and look at all the beers.
And all their glorious.
What thing you get right here?
211. That train.
Charcoal.
Oh wait, do you need that shit for that? Or are those light ones?
Here it is.
Don't hit me in the face. Yeah. We don't need fucking. We
I was
our
about to
boots
hop
back.
up and right into that motherfucker to the
Fucking pack it out of the sky.
I'm trying to think, man, like, my cat's he's got like about 3 different names that he'll use in all of his stand-up.
We're making fucking French fries.
So, we got the ingredients. It's really awkward filming in Smith's.
Yeah, everyone keeps looking at you, trying to take the camera, touch your butt. It's weird.
Well, that's not weird. That's
It's
actually
me. My mom works here.
So, we're back at Asian John's house. His dogs are so stupid that even when they see us, they're gonna keep barking. Watch. Oh, look. It's not robbers. 2 people who you clearly recognize.
Watch out for the small one. Hey, motherfucker! That's how you train dogs. What did you say now? What's up, dog?
Here, it's your video game.
Shit, I think I'm about to drop that.
Screen on it?
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, John's arguing about super spicy peppers with Ritchie.
Put a little bit, it'll cook off, it'll be good. It'll be good. I'm only gonna put a little bit. It's whoever gets a seed, that'll be fun. Just like, you know, whoever just get, because the seed is what makes it hot. So,
What are they?
what's that? The Carolina, is that the one that Mohawk got? The Carolina Reapers?
Yeah.
That's the one he got. Oh, he got the one below it.
He had the Trinidad Scorpion.
Yeah, that's what it was. I
Oh.
it had scorpion in it.
That's it. That's like a fucked up drug. Yeah, so we'll just put a little bit. Hey, you want some gloves?
Why did it fucking hurt?
No, dude, it's just, it's fucking, when you're doing all the meat, all that fat gets on your fucking hands and you can't like wash it off. Dude, look, there ain't even any spoons in there though.
These are Trinidad Scorpion seeds being crushed up.
Crushed and then snorted.
Oh god. And then rush to the fucking hospital.
What do you think will happen? Like your brain will just fucking overload and die?
To your stomach. Hey, don't eat that! Don't throw jalapenos around, dude. This dog will eat anything that falls on the floor.
Fucking idiot. You're even worse. Why are you sitting like that?
His balls are on. The dog covered in fur. What do you expect?
Shit.
Gotta get in there nice and deep, lad.
Harder. Oh, slap it.
Steve, you're a sick, twisted individual. But I like you. Making fun of my patty making skills. Here's your patty. Bang! So that means when we cook it, it's gonna be like this big.
Yeah. The meatball.
Nah, I won't do that to him. I hate seeing John cry. I still have one of those ska caps in my pocket.
Milk. Shut up!
The dog outside bar. Yay, spatulas! Fire, fire, fire.
I hate that noise! Stop! God, this fucking... Hope that shit never comes down, you fucking stupid ass dog.
Yeah, we're talking to you, fuckface.
Shitty ass chopped avocados.
Excuse me?
Well, I never said nothing. I was Jared.
It was Jared Bear. Hey, yo, bitch. What's the answer to number 7?
So, bun number 1, bread, burger, mustard, jalapeno. Bun number 2, bun, lettuce, avocado, French fry, tapatio,
Meth.
meth.
The filler songs.
And competing for the best
It's like
is the key to all forms of rocking.
you can have a record that's only got like 6 or 7 songs.
Hey, don't start touching them and putting them back with your finger aids.
I felt bad about taking the big one.
Sometimes I wondered about you, man.
I like when they look like that. Like a little pig dick.
You say pig?
Yeah. Pig.
No, I've never seen a pig dick before.
Like
It was like just like a pig's tail.
a big tail matches his dick.
Trust us on this, man.
You just jump in, like, just fucking trust us on this shit. Here's how it is.
All right, guys. Successful barbecue, thanks to Ritchie and the Nevada
Fire.
State,
Welfare office.
Out of fire.
Right?
basically free food
Yeah.
for us. So shout out to Ritchie. I bought the beer. You got beer on you? Cheers. Kuna Matata bitches. Feel free to try our recipe in your own home.
Cheers.
And let us know how it goes. Final words?
That was good.